Hey guys, Bilal here. Welcome back to another video, and the Huawei Mate 20X 5G is around the corner. It is going to be launched after this month with 5G support and some changes as compared to its predecessor. The Mate 20X has been a great device since it's been offering an exquisite 7.2 inches AMOLED screen, a top-notch performance due to its Kirin 980 processor, and a huge 5000 mAh battery with 22-watt fast charging capabilities. Now Huawei is going to offer something better, not only to sustain the performance of the previous one, but also to enhance it. First of all, the device will have a 4200 mAh battery, which is enough. However, it seems disappointing as it is smaller than its predecessor, which had 5000 mAh battery. Although it can be considered as an upgrade owing to its fast charging abilities. The device will support awe-strikingly 40-watt fast charging functionality, which is almost double of its predecessor. Owing to that, the device will be charged in a very small amount of time. Thus, it won't be disappointing to the users. Now talking of the M Pen, just like the Mate 20X, the 20X 5G will also support the M Pen with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is almost the same as the Galaxy Note 9. The rest of the specs are going to be the same. It will contain the contemporary Kirin 980 processor, 6GB of RAM, Android 9.0 with EMUI 9, triple rear camera with 40 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 20 megapixel f2.2 aperture ultra wide lens, and 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom. The front camera will be 24 megapixel lens with an f2.0 aperture. Now considering the specs, the performance is top notch and the specs are not needed to be upgraded. Talking of the user experience of the Mate 20X, there are some fascinating gestures just like the iPhone XS would seem as smooth as the contemporary iOS experience owing to the latest and greatest specs. The design of the 20X 5G is also going to be the same as its predecessor, which is very thin bezels with a tiny sweet notch on the top which makes it beautiful. Talking of the back, the triple camera will be placed in the square shape with the fingerprint sensor placed under the camera just like the previous one. And for kind of information, this design has been expected to be seen in the iPhone 11 as well. Now last but not least, the 3.5mm headphone jack. The Mate 20X was launched with the headphone jack as the Huawei didn't want to compromise with it. Now here the question is that, will Huawei sustain the impressions of the headphone jack by again providing it in the next one or not? Now the reason for this question is because the battery is going to be compromised due to 5G feature and perhaps it can cause the headphone jack. However, considering the news that apart from the selected features, all are going to be the same in the 20X 5G, the headphone jack can be expected but cannot be confirmed. Now talking of the price, it will be sold for more than $1000 which are worth it as far as 5G and the contemporary features are concerned, specifically the 40-watt charging capability. So what are your thoughts about this device? Write down in the comments below, and that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The tech news will be uploaded frequently on this channel, so make sure to subscribe to get notification. I'll catch you guys in the next one.